Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JBL Tune 125 TVS. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones. If it doesn't help you, close the case and open it again. If it also doesn't help you, we should remove and add device. So, click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Now forget device. Then close the case and open it again. It should automatically enter to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, press and hold on the button on your headphones for at least 2 seconds. And now we can see blinking, so click on it, and we did it. If it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold both of buttons on your headphones for at least 5 seconds. Now, close the case. Click on the information icon or settings icon. Forget device. After that, open the case. And it also should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, press and hold on both buttons for at least 2 seconds. And click on your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!